new pump for my in-ground pool. When I line it up, the intake is about a 1/4 inch lower than the pump connection. Will this cause any issues with water flow after the connection is made?
Well, I think as long as you level it so that the connection can be made consistently, if you raise the pump up slightly and put it on a piece of plastic, a piece of concrete, something, you need to shim it up a little bit. I think you'll have a problem. If you try to just force it together and the pump is not setting level on something, likely what's going to happen is it will cavitate and move and eventually crack and break things. And so in the initial, it probably wouldn't be much of a problem, but I think that you end up wearing your equipment out pretty quick. I would also caution you, don't use, I know everyone wants to use a little piece of plywood or something instead to lift it. If you use womanized plywood, maybe, but regular plywood will rot out pretty quickly and you'll have that problem anyway. So just shim it up and make sure that they're level, and then you'll be fine.